CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.4, given a scenario, configure and use web browser features. Browser extensions. Browser extensions, also known as add-ons or plugins, are small software programs that integrate with your web browser. They are designed to extend the functionality of the browser and provide extra features for tasks like ad and script blocking, language translation, and much more. In order to add browser extensions to tailor your browsing experience, you will need to open your web browser and navigate to the browser's extension store or marketplace. From here, you can search for the desired extension using the search bar. Once you find the extension you want, click Add, and the extension will download and install automatically. Should you wish to remove an extension, the process is just as simple. Now that you know how to add and remove extensions, let's explore how to enable and disable them based on your preferences. Just because you have an extension installed, does not mean you have to have it enabled all the time. You can choose when and where to use the extension. To enable and disable the extension, open your browser and navigate to the extension settings. Here you can toggle the extension between enabled and disabled. When enabled, the extension will run and function as intended. When disabled, the extension will be deactivated and its functionality will be suspended until you re-enable it again. Also, don't assume the extension is enabled just because you installed it. Sometimes, the default state for a newly installed extension will be the disabled state and not the enabled state. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.